It is an epigram in the memorable saying which states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So it's basically the most negative saying there is. So I'm going to give you examples. So first, let's talk about the pilot and his best friend, the autopilot, which is standard in every airplane available. So before we proceed with the story, let us set aside all the positive and think about what are the chances of this situation to go wrong. These things happen the least they were expecting it. So the plane crashed because the pilot had a heart attack and his co-pilot was new. He didn't know how to fly the plane. So example B. Let's talk about guns. Here in the Philippines, guns are illegal. It's easy for people to get access or to possess the new weapons of guns. Even I myself can walk away with a gun. But kids, guns are bad. So stay away from guns. Anyway, but how? There is a marketplace called the gray market in which shipments are not from the are not from the stores itself, but from a different place. So it's like a heaven for other products as well. So example, you have this friend Abdul, and Abdul, are you selling some DVDs? I want Goose Goose and Dora the Explorer. So that's a great market. Abdul, I like the Dora watch. The limited edition one, so good. So even kids can order Nerf guns and toy pistols in the gray market. But what are the chances of the gray market shopping even worse? I want some toy assault rifles. So anyway, but the thing is, in our country, where owning guns are necessary, according to crime experts, your parents have guns. So anyway, what are the chances of things going wrong with owning guns? First of all, you're most likely to use your gun for yourself than anybody else. Because kids cry and they get lonely and sometimes they just question themselves. So kids don't own guns. So I watched the news last night and North Korea was building atomic bombs and nukes, which is also bad for you. So stay away from that country. So what are the chances of things going wrong? First, the bombs go over the country, or B, gravity beats the launching power of the bomb. It's like your toy bomb, the one they sell at Toy Kingdom. So it doesn't work. Korean pigs are unreliable. So kids, stay away from melamine and toys with lead. So even in math, actually, example, let's deal with the most positive process ever possible, which is multiplication. So I know you're preschool, but this isn't rocket science. So a negative number multiplied to another negative number is equal to positive f. And a positive number multiplied to a positive number is equal to positive. So, negative situation will lead you to positive situation. So, both positive situations will also lead to positive. So, anyway, multiplying a negative number times a positive number will result to a negative situation. But the truth is, this is just an inverted negative symbol. So basically everything is negative. Yeah. So kids, for any positive action, there is an equal and negative reaction.